really, though, isn't any fun.
No, it's not fun at all.
It doesn't look fun.
Oh, yeah, no, not at all.
That couldn't be farther from the truth here at Prop and Spoon in Long Island City, Queens. Harlan Silverstein, with the help of his daughter Izzy, collects anything and everything, stocking his 50,000 square foot prop house to the brim.
You need a gold palm tree? No, maybe a large mushroom. Right?
Oh my gosh.
But what makes this place even more unique, many of the items you see have already made their big debut.
We work on shows like Billions, Shades of Blue, Blue Bloods, Royal Pains,
as well as a long list of movies and musicals. And now you can take it home.
Can I rent something for just a few bucks all the way up to, I'm sure, thousands?
Thousands of dollars. Absolutely. And it really does. It runs the gamut.
Staging a room, this will run you about $500. Throwing a tailgate party, rent this for $1,500. Or head to the small section and spend less than $50. If you don't see what you're looking for, simply ask Silverstein.
Saturday Night Live is one of our large clients, and they were saying, you know, we're having a difficult time finding 50s diner pieces. And I said, well, we'll just build that.
Organized into sections, millions of items are methodically labeled and stored. But for Izzy, it's the perfect place for hide and seek.
Whenever I play with my dad, it takes him about an hour to find me.
You can't even see her, right? I had no clue.
Next time I play,
let me help you.
Hello, I can't get out.
I'll take a tip from Izzy.
Well, if your rental is oversized, don't worry. Prop and Spoon will actually deliver those items to you. And that sarcophagus that you saw right there is from Saturday Night Live, King Tut. That's so nice. I was hoping that Steve Martin's talent would like me. Nathan Lane used it as well for a musical.
It was a while.
How cool is that?
Yeah.